Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting, cash stuffing, sinking funds, and savings challenges. Today we are going to go over what we spent for the week. We're going to pay back our credit card, and we're going to unstuff some cash envelopes to do it. So let's get into it. All right, so let's open up our bullet journal here where we keep track of the expenses for the week. And I am going to pull out my blue binder here and open us up. All right, so I did make some purchases out of my personal envelope this week. I bought a couple things off of Etsy, and y'all will be seeing that here soon. I bought a couple new binders and then something else to go along in that binder. I also went to Office Max and picked up some nice cardstock printer paper for the savings challenges that I'm going to start doing. So in total, I spent $70.65 out of my personal envelope. So let's go ahead, let me go ahead and grab this. All right. So we're going to be taking out 71 out of my envelope. So 20, 40, 60, 71. So that leaves me with 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, $33. All right, so we're gonna mark that over here. How's y'all's week been? I have been under the weather again. The weather's been crazy around here, and I just feel like I am constantly getting sick. Like, it's crazy. But I'm getting better, and I'm ready to get pushed through this last little bit of sickness. Next up is going to be groceries. So because I was sick, we only made it out to pick up a few things from the Asian Food Mart. We spent $73.92 there. So let's go ahead and unstuff that. So we are going to be taking out $74. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4. And left over in groceries, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 130 are left over in groceries. Me and my husband do want to start doing meal prep, and we were supposed to do it this past week, but obviously with me being sick, we just kind of used what we already had in the house. But this next week, we are going to do it. Please, y'all, hold me accountable with that, because we be spending a lot of money that we don't need to be spending lately. All right, we got gas one time, and that was me filling up my tank, and that was $35.89. Y'all, I miss the days when it only took me like $25, maybe $28 to fill up my tank. It's just becoming a lot. So we're gonna take out 36. So we've got 20, 25, 30, 35, 36. So left over in gas, we have 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 107 is left over in gas. All right, nothing came out of subscriptions. Gym, my husband's gym membership did come out, and that was $19. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and there is $15 left over in there. And look at me, I'm getting ahead of myself. We got to mark off and highlight that gym. All right. Next up, our favorite envelope. We did stay in budget though, y'all. We stayed in budget for dining this week. We did go to a couple breweries. I was off the last Sunday. So me and my husband did go to a couple breweries. We had a nice little date day. We spent $62.08 in the first place, and then $39.06 at the second place, for a total of $101.14. And that was just a nice time, y'all. Remember, your budget has to work for you. And right now, where we're at in our life, making time to go out and just enjoy each other's company, whether that's going out for drinks or whatnot, is just something that's important to us. So yes, we're spending a lot of money in this category, but we're also building a lot of memories for ourselves. So while we do need to cut back a little bit, I'm not mad about it. You know, it is what it is, and we're enjoying ourselves. So while I know not everyone can do this or even wants to do this with their budget, it's what's working out for us right now. So we're taking out $102 from dining, and that leaves us with $5, $10, $15, $20, $21, $22, $23 over in dining. All right, next up, nothing came out of pet care. The pups were good on their food this week. And then we did spend out of health, with me being a little under the weather. We got some medicine, and then just some, pick-me-up little snack things. So $26 is coming out of health. So left over in health, we now have 50, 100, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So 144 is still in health. And nothing out of fun or miscellaneous this week. We did have our property tax bill show up for my newer vehicle for the second half of the year. That we were not expecting this bill. I figured all that was going to be done through like the car dealership and whatnot. But that was $57.99. Luckily, we have a sinking funds for car maintenance. So thankfully, we will have all that right here for us. So we need to take out $58. Let's see, 20, 40, 50. Nope, don't have that. So we're going to do 60 and take $2 back over here. All right, so we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 430, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 436 left over in car maintenance. All right, and that's it. We've got everything accounted for that we spent this week. Let's go ahead and add up that total. Where did that go? The total for everything we spent. So we've got $70.65, we've got $73.92, $35.89, $19, $101.14, $25.38, $57.99, for a grand total of $383.97. And that is what we should have over here to go back towards our credit card so that we don't get into credit card debt, because we want to stay away from that and we just want to safely use our credit cards. So we are going to take all this money up and count it and double check that we have at least the 384. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83. So that's 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. So we have 386 going back towards that credit card. I do have a separate checking account that I deposit this in that I only use to pay back my credit cards. So there is sometimes a little bit buffer in there in case, you know, we overspend in certain areas. I just like to keep that little buffer in there. And then if it builds up too much, we'll just use that for an extra debt payment. But that's it for today. And I will, let's see. I will see you tomorrow. We will be doing my income update. I did have a few days off this past week, so my income's not going to be quite as big as it has been the past few weeks with Valentine's Day and that kind of stuff happening. But check in tomorrow and see how I handle that lower income week. I hope y'all had a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.